The Progressive Adaptive Control, PAC Protection, is an integrated intelligent system that continuously monitors key operating parameters and adapts to prevent unexpected downtime, keeping your compressor running at peak performance. A unique feature of the PAC Protection is the ability to adjust the centrifugal blower speed based on ambient temperature, thus reducing energy consumption and noise levels. PAC Protection incorporates a fully integrated sensor system to warn you when the air, coolant and separation filters are nearing the end of their lives. Continually scanning the system, the PAC Protection senses a dirty element and constantly adjusts operating parameters to ensure your production remains running, avoiding any nuisance shutdowns. In addition, PAC Protection improves productivity and eliminates downtime by proactively monitoring and conditioning incoming power through the use of fully integrated line reactors. Additionally, the fully integrated line reactor filters harmful harmonics that could damage surrounding electrical equipment. The PAC Protection will continuously adjust compressor functions to keep your production running at peak performance.